Hey everybody, welcome to JK Next Garage. Today, show you how I patched that in right there. I've got the little... This is what we're going to get into. I'm going to patch this in, get this cut out of there. Going to pretty much, I want to use the new patch here as a template or a guide for the new rocker panel that's going to go in here. So that's why I'm doing it. I do have full quarters for this, so we may end up replacing this whole thing. But you know what? A little extra practice patching this stuff in isn't going to hurt me any. So let's get to it. Let's get it cut out of there. Okay, got it all cut out of there. We'll pull that piece off of there. There we go. As you can see, a little crusty in there. We'll get the wire wheel in there, clean that up as much as we can. Get some rust stop or rust inhibitor in there. As you can see, I'll show you the inside of that. Pretty crusty. Yeah. Pardon the voiceover. I must have lost the audio on this part of the video, but anyway, yeah, not too bad. I think we can deal with this. I'll get some of these pieces ground down where I knocked the plug welds off right there, and we'll do it. All right, got my little template there that I cut out, clamped onto the new inner door jamb. So I just got it marked out with gold Sharpie because I misaligned it the first time. So anyway, so let's get that piece cut out of there and we'll see how it fits in. Got that piece cut out of there. You can see. Let's get this off of here. There we go. Turned out pretty good. Almost exactly the same. Got to get this thing, we'll get this cleaned up. We'll get it in the blaster. Get it primed and everything, and we'll go from there. So the rest of this I can just throw in the garbage, right? Not quite. You never know when you need some extra pieces or parts or patches or anything like that. Same reason why I bought it. So that'll go into the stockpile of parts to be used another day for another bird possibly. All right, so I got that rust inhibitor on there, so should be good to go there. I just got to put a little bit of cold galv or something in there on those inside welds, and Kelly's finishing up the blasting that little piece, so see how she's doing here. Well, it's all blasted up, looking good. Get it out of the cabinet and get it primed up. Okay, so this is the patch, starting to get it all primed up and stuff, and as you can see, I've got some black here. That was just some rust stop because there's some pitting down here that I did, and then I masked it off so that where I was going to be doing the welding and stuff was all bare. So now I'm putting the weld through primer on that, and I think everything will be just fine. I mean, this car is not going to see the weather like it used to, so I think every little bit of rust stop I put on there will be more than what it had. So let's get this thing installed. Okay, patches clamped into place. Everything's looking good. I used a little piece of metal just to make sure the sides were flushed and everything's looking really good all the way through here. Nice. I can just push it just a little bit as I'm welding it, get it really dialed in. So let's get this thing welded on there. Got it all welded in. Not the best, but welds are done, ground. Got the plug welds in all up here. These I'm not putting in there because of the rockers, new rockers going in. Same with down here. So that's why none of that is tacked in. So Now let's see if my can of cold galv will work this time and get this all cold galved up. Can decided to work, so got one little spot right here that I'll get welded in later. But so that's that side, and I don't know if you can see the inside here, but yeah. So I'm not sure I'm loving this patch that I did. It turned out good. I may end up replacing this whole thing when I redo the quarters, but at least for now I've got a guide for the rocker panel. So hopefully this will help if you decide to patch in your stuff or not. So progress on the car. So I think in the next set of videos is going to be the rockers. I'll get to taking these rockers out. I'll show you how that goes, and that'll probably be the next video. So thanks for coming along, and we'll see you on the next one.